Today I will tell you the dangerous side effects of Calamox tablet. I'm your pharmacist Dr. Abdurrafe. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Its brand name is Calamox and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is co-amoxiclav. It is a 375 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Bosch Pharmaceutical. Here amoxicillin is 250 mg and the clavulanic acid is in 125 mg. So it makes 375 mg tablet. It is an antibiotic and it is used to treat bacterial infections. Let us see its leaflet. So here are the indications of Calamox. As you can see, it is used to treat a lot of bacterial infections, especially of upper respiratory tract infection, lower respiratory tract infections, and also genitourinary infections also. Means it is also used to treat these infections too. And it is a broad spectrum antibiotic, so it can kill a lot of bacteria. Okay. So it's a very good medicine. So now let's discuss its dangerous side effects. So here are the side effects. It can cause diarrhea, means it can affect your stomach. It can also cause pseudomembranous colitis, which is the inflammation of colon. It can also cause indigestion, means your food won't be digested properly. You can have flatulence, nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting, and candidiasis. It is a kind of infection by a specific organism. It also causes urticaria and erythematous rashes, and these are very severe. An urticarial rash suggests penicillin hypersensitivity and treatment should be discontinued. Here they are saying about the penicillin hypersensitivity allergy. Most of the people are allergic to penicillin, as amoxicillin here is an antibiotic which is a penicillin derivative antibiotic. So if you are allergic to penicillin, you should not use it. Okay. It is also a side effect that if someone has allergy from penicillin, he could have a severe reaction which is also fatal and it can lead to death. Okay. So those who are allergic to it, they should not use it, and it is contraindicated also. It can also cause erythematous rash and also different infections like mononucleosis infection. It can also cause erythema multiforme, which is a very dangerous disease. It can also cause Steven Johnson syndrome. It is also a disease of our skin, and it can also cause exfoliative dermatitis. It is also a very painful and dangerous disease. It can cause the most dangerous side effect which can lead to even death is the fatal hypersensitivity reactions, which are also known as anaphylactic reactions, and angioneurotic edema, which is the edema in the angioneurotic area. Angioneurotic edema occur in patients which are on penicillin therapy. It can also cause hepatitis, which is the inflammation of liver, and it can also cause cholestatic jaundice, means it can also cause jaundice. It's not necessary that you have all these side effects. These side effects are on clinical studies, means these are reported by the patient. They have used it and they have reported that they are feeling it. So these are the side effects they feel. So you can have all these side effects. It is possible that you can have half of these side effects or none of these side effects. Okay, it depends patient to patient and also the chemistry of patient. Okay. And if you see here, it also has overdosage, means if we overdose it, then you can see it can be Calamox may be removed from the circulation by hemodialysis, means we can do dialysis of blood, so we can remove it easily. It is contraindicated in patients with penicillin antibiotic hypersensitivity. Those who are allergic to it, to penicillin, okay, they should not use it. So that's for today. And one another important thing, that it is an antibiotic. It is only used to treat bacterial infections, and also it is not used to treat viral infections. Okay, it is not used to treat coronavirus also. It is only used to treat bacterial infections. Okay. So that's for today. For more details about this medicine, its drug interactions, contraindications, and whether it is good for you or not, and should we use it in pregnancy or not, for all of the details you can consult your pharmacist for it, and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay. So that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will reply you. And if you want to buy this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will supply you too. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdurrafe in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.